Hello students, welcome to Mathbro. In today's session, I am going to discuss about the 5-mark most important and most repeated gunshot questions from differentiability for your midterm examination as well as board examination. Let us begin with the first question. The question says that if y is equals to a sin x plus b cos x, then I need to prove d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. Means I need to differentiate this function twice. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ d square y by dx square ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ I need to differentiate the given equation twice. So let me consider the given equation, that is y is equals to a sin x plus b cos x. Okay, so differentiating both sides with respect to x, then this becomes y1 is equals to a into derivative of sin x is cos x plus b as it is derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, let me rewrite this equation. A cos x, what is plus into minus? Minus b sin x. Howda? Then to get d square y by dx square, I need to differentiate this with respect to x again, right? So again differentiating both sides with respect to x, then I will get y2 or d square y by dx square is equals to a into derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus b into derivative of sin x is cos x. So therefore y2 or d square y by dx square is equals to minus, if you take minus common from these two, then you will get a sin x plus b cos x, right? So what is a sin x plus b cos x? And that is nothing but y. So if I replace this a sin x plus b cos x with y, then this becomes y2 is equals to minus y. y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Okay, if I shift this minus y to left side, then it becomes plus y is equals to 0 is the required proof. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. Pause the video and note down the answer. And the next question is, if y is equals to 3 e raised to the power 2x plus 2 e raised to the power 3x, then prove that d square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y is equals to 0. So consider the given equation. Y is equals to 3 e raised to the power 2x plus 2 e raised to the power 3x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Howda? So if I differentiate for the first time, then you will get y1. y1 is equals to 3 into e raised to the power x the derivative. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 into derivative of e raised to the power mx the formula use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ e raised to the power ax the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, e raised to the power ax the derivative a into e raised to the power ax. ಹೌದಾ? In the same manner this becomes 2 into e raised to the power 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 as it is ಹೇಳ್ರಿ multiplied with derivative of e raised to the power 3x is 3 into e raised to the power 3x. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ e raised to the power ax, ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ e raised to the power f of x ಅದ, e raised to the power f of x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to the power ax ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ into derivative of f of x, and that is nothing but a. So the answer is a e raised to the power ax ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, what is 3 into 2? y1 is equals to 3 2s are 6 e raised to the power 2x plus 2 3s are 6 e raised to the power 3x. Okay, so again differentiating both sides with respect to x, then I will get y2 or d square y by dx square is equals to 6 as it is. What is the derivative of e raised to the power 2x? Again 2 into e raised to the power 2x plus 6 as it is into derivative of e power 3x is 3 into e raised to the power 3x. So y2 or d square y by dx square is equals to 6 into 2 will be 12 e raised to the power 2x plus 6 3s are 18 e raised to the power 3x. Okay, ಈಗ ನನಗ dy by dx ನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ d square y by dx square ನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. Let me substitute these two values in this equation. LHS consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. So consider LHS is equals to d square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6 times of y. Okay, so that is equals to ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ d square y by dx square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 12 e raised to 2x plus 18 e raised to the power 3x. Substitution ಮಾಡೋಣ. 12 e raised to the power 2x e raised to the power 2x plus 18 e raised to the power 3x minus 5 into what is dy by dx? dy by dx is nothing but y1. So 6 e raised to the power 2x plus 6 e raised to the power 3x. Okay. Then the third term, that is 6 times of y. 6 multiplied by y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 e raised to the power 2x plus 2 e raised to the power 3x. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 12 e raised to the power 2x plus 18 e raised to the power 3x minus 6 into 5 is 30 e raised to the power 2x minus 6 into 5 is 30 e raised to the power 3x, then plus 6 3s are 18 e raised to the power 2x plus 6 2s are 12 e raised to the power 3x. 12 e raised to the power 2x plus 18 e raised to the power 2x. 12 chocolates plus 18 chocolates is equals to 30 chocolates, right? These positive 30 chocolates and negative 30 chocolate get cancels. Howda? Then in the same manner 18 e raised to the power 3x plus 12 e raised to the power 3x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 30 e raised to the power 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That minus this ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 30 e raised to the power 3x get cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So the answer will be equals to 0. Thus we have proved LHS equals to RHS. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. And the next question is if y is equals to sine inverse of x, then I have to prove 1 minus x square multiplied by d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equals to 0. Right? Same procedure use ಮಾಡೋಣ. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then I will get y1 is equals to, what is the derivative of sine inverse x? 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. ಹೌದಾ? Bring this term to the left side, then it becomes root over 1 minus x square multiplied by y1 is equals to 1. Then squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, if I square this, then square and square root get cancels. ಹೌದಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ y1 ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. y1 is nothing but dy by dx square. ಹೌದಾ? dy by dx whole square, not d square y by dx square. 1 ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 1. Then ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ y1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is equals to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I need to differentiate this with respect to x again. So let me write again differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then you will get while differentiating I should use product rule. Idu first function re, amele idu second function. 1 minus x square becomes first function, y1 square becomes second function. If I use the product rule, then it becomes keep first function as it is, that is 1 minus x square as it is, then derivative of second function is, what is the derivative of y1 square? 2y1 into derivative of y1 is y2. Okay, keep in mind y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Then plus second function as it is, that is y1 square as it is, into derivative of 1 minus x square is derivative of 1 is a constant, it is equal to 0. Then derivative of x square is 2x, so derivative of 1 minus x square is nothing but minus 2x. Hope you are able to understand what I am teaching. Derivative of 1 is nothing but 0. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2y1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 2y1 ಐತಿ. 2y1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2y1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು y2 minus into plus becomes minus. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2y1 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ, x into y1 and that is equals to 0. Okay, then dividing throughout by 2y1 or else 2y1 ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ 0 divided by anything becomes equals to 0. So the required answer is 1 minus x square into y2 replace ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0 is the required proof. If I write this much, then I will get 5 mark. Okay, pause the video and note down the answer. And the next question is, this is most repeated question. Y is equals to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Okay, then I need to prove d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. This is very similar to the first question. Okay, so differentiating both sides with respect to x, then it becomes y1 is equals to 5 as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus 3 as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, so what I will do is I will rewrite the equation. Y1 is equals to minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. If you are strong enough, then you can write this step here itself. Okay, so again differentiating both sides with respect to x, again differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get y2. If I differentiate y1, then I will get y2. y2 is equals to minus 5. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x, minus 3 as it is. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right? That minus into this minus becomes plus sin x. Okay, so in the next step what I will do is I will take negative common from this, then it becomes ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಿದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is nothing but y ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಅವನು. ಸೊ at the end y2 is equals to minus of y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? d square y by dx square. If I shift this minus y to this side, then it becomes plus y, and that is equals to 0 is the required proof. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. And coming to the next question, y is equals to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Okay, so if I differentiate this with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ y2 y1 ಅಂತ ನೊಟೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ y1 is equals to 3, what is the derivative of cos of f of x minus sin of f of x. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ? log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, then plus 4 as it is. Derivative of sin of log x is cos of log x, cos of log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಐತಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ x ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x ತಗೊಂಡು 1 by x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So if I multiply throughout the equation by x, then it becomes xy1 is equals to minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ x ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ x ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ದಾಗ ಒಂದು x ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Then again I have to differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then while differentiating x into y1, I should use product rule. First function as it is, x as it is, derivative of y1 is y2 plus y1 as it is, derivative of x will be 1 is equal to minus 3 as it is, derivative of sin of log x is cos of log x into derivative of log x, and that is 1 by x plus. Okay, so instead of writing plus, let me differentiate and multiply the sign. What is the derivative of cos of log x? Minus sin of log x, right? So that minus into this plus becomes minus 4 sin of log x multiplied by 1 by x, derivative of log x. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಈ 1/x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ, 1/x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ, 1/x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ x. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ x ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಇಂಟು x ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ y2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು xy1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ -3 cos of log x, x and x get cancels, minus 4 sin of log x, x and x get cancels. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರೊಳಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತ ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin log x and that is nothing but y. Next step ಒಳಗ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. If I replace this with y, then the equation becomes x square y2 plus xy1 is equals to minus of y. Minus y ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ then you will get the required proof. Okay, so x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0 is the required proof. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. And the next question is most repeated question in board examination. Okay, board exam ದೊಳಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Here in this question he has given that y is equals to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. I need to prove d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn y is equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ತಲೆ ಒಳಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ dy by dx and d square y by dx square, I need to differentiate this equation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, dy by dx is equals to a into what is the derivative of e raised to mx ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, m into e raised to mx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus what is the derivative of e raised to nx, n into e raised to nx. Okay, and then to get d square y by dx square, I should differentiate this function with respect to x again. So again differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then I will get d square y by dx square as what? A into m into e raised to mx derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, m e raised to mx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That m into this m becomes m square e raised to mx plus b n into e raised to nx derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, n e raised to the power nx. That n into this n becomes n square e raised to the power nx. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ dy by dx ಮತ್ತೆ d square y by dx square ಅನ್ನ ಈ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ LHS is equals to d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into ny. ಹೌದಾ? Substitute the values for d square y by dx square, dy by dx and y. d square y by dx square ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, a m square e raised to the power mx. Then plus bn square e raised to the power nx minus of ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಇಂಟು dy ಬೈ dx ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a m e raised to mx plus b n e raised to nx. Close the bracket. Then next term ಏನೈತಿ plus mn into y. y ಏನಿದೆ a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Now we are left with the simplification part, right? So ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LHS equals to this I have to write as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು simplification ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. a e raised to a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx. Okay, then minus ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. minus see, first I will multiply this expression with m ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. a m into m will be m square e raised to mx, right? Then plus b into m into n e raised to the power nx ಆಗ. Next plus n ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a mn e raised to mx plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ b n square e raised to the power nx. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ mn ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a m into n e raised to the power mx. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ mn ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ b mn e raised to the power nx. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ, ಎಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜೀರೋ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಜೀರೋ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 100% ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, a m square e raised to the power mx ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a m square e raised to the power mx, this and this get cancels. b n square e raised to the power nx minus b n square e raised to the power nx get cancels. b mn e raised to the power nx plus b mn e raised to the power mx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 0. Thus we have proved LHS is equals to RHS. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. This is most important question for your annual examination as well as midterm examination. Board adavurge favorite question idu. And the next question is y is equals to 500 e raised to the power 7x plus 600 e raised to the power minus 7x. Then show that y2 is equals to 49y. y2 is equals to 49y ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let me differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then it becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದು y1 is equals to 500 multiplied by what is the derivative of e raised to the power 7x? 7 e raised to the power 7x. Okay, then plus 600 multiplied by derivative of e raised to the power minus 7x is minus 7 e raised to the power minus 7x. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ e raised to the power minus 7x e raised to the power minus 7x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then derivative of minus 7x is minus 7. Okay, then y1 is equals to ಇದನ್ನ just rewrite ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ 7 into 500 e raised to the power 7x minus 7 into 600 e raised to the power minus 7x. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Then again differentiating both sides with respect to x, then it becomes y2 is equals to 7 multiplied by 500 into e raised to the power 7x, the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7 e raised to the power 7x minus 7 into 600. What is the derivative of e raised to the power minus 7x? Minus 7 e raised to the power minus 7x. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. y2 is equals to 7 into 7 is 49, 500 e raised to the power 7x, then minus into minus will become plus. 7 into 7 is, this is 7, 49 into 600 e raised to the power minus 7x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 49 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ 49 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ, so y2 is equals to 49 multiplied by 49 into 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x. y2 is equals to 49 multiplied by y, and this is the required proof. If you write this much, then you will get 5 out of 5 marks. And the last question is, if y is equals to tan inverse of x whole square, then I need to prove this 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equals to 2. Okay, same procedure. Differentiating sin inverse ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, same procedure use ಮಾಡೋಣ. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then it becomes y1 is equals to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x raised to n ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. f of x raised to the power n ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, n into f of x raised to the power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. So 2 into tan inverse of x raised to the power 2 minus 1 will be 1. No need to write. Then the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Bring that 1 plus x square to this left side, then it becomes 1 plus x square multiplied by y1 is equals to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, now I will differentiate this again with respect to x. So again differentiating both sides with respect to x. To differentiate this, I should use the product rule. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus x square as it is, derivative of y1 is y2 plus y1 as it is means second function as it is into derivative of first function is 1, the derivative 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square the derivative 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 0 plus 2x becomes 2x. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ರೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನಫ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟ ಬರೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 into derivative of tan inverse x, it is a standard derivative, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. See, bring that 1 plus x square to left side. 1 plus x square ಇಂದ ಯೂನಿಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 plus x square ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square is equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2x into 1 plus x square so 2x into 1 plus x square ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ y1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, and that is equals to 2, which is the required proof. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ you will get 5 out of 5 marks. Then the next question is, if e raised to the power y multiplied by x plus 1 is equals to 1, then prove that dy by dx is equals to e raised to the power minus y. Hence prove that d square y by dx square is equals to dy by dx whole square. See, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕೀಪ್ x plus 1 as it is, bring this e raised to the power y to that side, and it becomes 1 divided by e raised to the power y. How will you write 1 divided by e raised to the power y? This can be written as e raised to the power minus y. Now we will differentiating both sides with respect to x. If I differentiate x with respect to x, then you will get 1. Derivative of 1 will be 0. No need to write. Then e raised to the power minus y, the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e raised to the power minus y, implicit function derivative. Okay, e raised to the power minus y into derivative of y with respect to x is y dash ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y1 ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ y1 ಯಾರ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by e raised to the power minus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So y1 is equals to, if you bring this to the numerator, then it becomes e raised to the power y. Call this equation as 1. Then next step nodri ಇಲ್ಲಿ, I will differentiate this again with respect to x, then it becomes again differentiating both sides with respect to x. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y1 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y2, and that is nothing but dy by dx. See, dy by dx is equals to ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, one second, here we have made a mistake. The derivative of e raised to the power minus y is e raised to the power minus y into derivative of minus y is minus y1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಇದು minus 1 divided by e raised to the power minus y, and this becomes y1 is equals to minus e raised to the power y. In half of the part ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, dy by dx is equals to here you can write dy by dx is equals to e raised to the power minus e raised to the power y. Okay, so after differentiating one more time, then we will get y2 is equals to minus e raised to the power y, because e raised to the power y, the derivative e raised to the power y, into dy by dx or y1 ಅನ್ಬೋದು. From equation 1, what is minus e raised to the power y? And that is nothing but y1. So y2 is equals to y1 into y1. So y2 is equals to y1 square, which is nothing but d square y by dx square is equals to dy by dx whole square, which is the required proof. So with this I will be concluding the today's class. In the next class I will deal the questions from relations and functions. Till then, stay tuned.